as we've seen, farmland doesn't get a lot of press out there. There's the Mag 7, there's the crazy vol in bond markets today. Take us through what's been happening in farmland investing over the last 24 months or so.
Yeah, you're 100% right, Will. Farmland does not get the press that other asset classes like the Mag 7 or global bond markets get. But it's really been doing exactly what it's supposed to do, which is deliver strong, steady returns that are uncorrelated with broader markets. And kind of broadly speaking, over the last 24 months, we've seen pretty good returns from the row crop side, moderating a bit in 2024. And on the permanent crop side is a little bit of the opposite, where 2023 and kind of 2022 were pretty see kind of a lot of headwinds there. 2024 also a little bit challenged, but we think that we're definitely at the bottom, and expectations for kind of stronger returns going forward.
And just for everybody's understanding, can you explain the difference between row crops and permanent crops?
Sure. A row crop is, think your kind of corn, soy, wheat, kind of traditional commodity crops, basically anything that you plant on an annual basis. Permanent crops, on the other hand, are things like almonds, wine grapes, apples, basically things that grows on trees or vines that you plant one year and you've got that kind of biological asset for the next 10 to 50 years.
Take us through what's going on in the row crop market today.
Yeah, like I said earlier, the row crop market has been very strong over the last 3 to 5 years. I mean, really kind of since the Russian invasion of Ukraine in early 2022. So we've seen pretty strong land value appreciation and incomes. That moderated a bit in 2024. We actually saw a decently large decline in net farm income, which is a key indicator of farm row crop returns. And that was mainly caused by kind of soft commodity prices. And then on top of that, we saw higher costs for farmers, things like increased fertilizer pricing and higher interest rates. Looking forward to 2025, the USDA is actually predicting that net farm income is going to increase by almost 30%, which should be a pretty strong tailwind to farmer balance sheets and incomes, which should be supportive of land values and kind of farmland returns. So we're pretty optimistic on the row crop space for 2025.
Take us through and compare that to the permanent crops.
Yeah, kind of the exact opposite of permanent crops, where we've kind of been seeing a lot of headwinds since 2020, mainly caused by high supply and low crop pricing. The good news is we've seen a recovery in the price of almonds. We're now above $2 a pound for the 2024 crop year, and kind of estimates are that we'll get into the $225 to $250 a pound range in 2025. And kind of even at the current 2024 levels, farmers are making money, and at 2025 they'll be pretty profitable, which should flow through to land values. We're already seeing it in the forms of higher income returns in our portfolio. So we're pretty optimistic on the permanent crop space in 2025 and beyond.